drag this out. We'll do a voiceover. Yeah, what is this? As if you can read that stuff. Making a video, just a heads up. Oh, y'all don't know this is sick ass leak. He has a sick ass Integra, that's why the name fits appropriate. But my thing is like, where does this shit go? Like, because they have a jumper and a resistor. Cutting it to make room for the steering column cover. Hey, it's like IKEA. It's IKEA install. Go straight to you. I went straight down.